There are two hot movies currently playing in your local theaters. The stars from both of them are with us tonight. In Spain, he is known as El Hombre Los Más Que Vive, or as the sexiest man alive. Wait a second, Nick Nolte, aren't you the sexiest man alive? You were, right? And Kevin Costner, weren't you the sexiest man alive last year? You know who finished second? Jack Palance. So you got him, and she is from the box office hit Basic Instinct. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sharon Stone and the Mambo King's Antonio Banderas.
In the movies, if the actor opens a bottle of wine in a scene, the sound man provides the. But if you step on a cat in the dark, the cat provides the.
The sound effects editor makes sure the wine doesn't meow and cats don't.
We have the enchanting assignment to present the glamorous award for sound effects editing. Backdraft, Gary Rydstrom and Richard Himes. Star Trek VI, The Undiscovered Country, George Waters II and F. Hudson Miller. Terminator 2, Judgment Day, Gary Rydstrom and Gloria S. Borders.
And the Oscar goes to...
And the Oscar goes to Gary Rydstrom and Gloria S. Borders for Terminator 2, Judgment Day.
Thanks, Academy members, for this great honor. I share it with the most creative, hard-working effects and Foley team ever. Thanks to my friends Kate Coombs, Ron Jacobs, and Karen Harding, and especially to my mother and father for giving me the strength and confidence and inspiration to follow this dream.
We'd like to thank Carolco and TriStar for the opportunity. This film was a collaboration of a lot of talented people, starting with Jim Cameron. We truly share this award with everybody at Skywalker Sound North. Their work and their support and their inspiration is what keeps us going. I owe personal thanks to my family for their enthusiasm, all my friends for keeping me laughing, and Cindy for everything. Thank you.
Another former Oscar winner returns, Mr. Denzel Washington.
The second film nominated for Best Picture is a Camelot production from Warner Brothers. It is the bold retelling of disturbing events leading up to and following the assassination of John F. Kennedy. Arguably the most controversial movie of the decade so far. Its power has caused overwhelming audience reaction. It is, of course, JFK.